So guys, this was just a small unboxing video of the new Realme 5 smartphone, and don't be disappointed if you wanted to know more about it, because over the next 7 days I will be using this phone and I will be testing its quad camera setup along with the performance and the 5000 mAh battery that is highlighted in the cover. So that in the next week around Sunday I will be able to tell you the things that I like about this smartphone and the drawbacks of it. Till then, keep watching and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my latest videos.